Welcome to the Natural Disasters channel.
The information.
Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster.
Japan experienced a major snowstorm which caused widespread disruptions and travel disruptions across the country. The snowstorm brought heavy snowfall, strong winds, and low visibility, leading to flight cancellations and road closures. The snowstorm caused power outages and many people were advised to stay indoors for their safety. The snowstorm affected the lives of many people in Japan, and several efforts were made to help those who were affected, including the deployment of military personnel to assist with rescue and relief operations.
Countries.
If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, give a like and comment.